Welcome back to the channel, fat boys. So this is just going to be a little bit of a ramble and update while me and little Rick are out on a nice little Sunday afternoon ride, because it's starting to get a little cold. So let's start talking, shall we? So, as some updates, as you guys now see, and I've talked previously before, I'm no longer in Florida. I'm now in Virginia. A lot of the updates, I guess I should say, is you're gonna start to see a little bit more content of me learning how to ride in truly cold weather, and even pushing my limits and finding out when I don't think I can ride in the winter anymore. I'm gonna try riding every single day this year, and especially through the winter, but I just don't know how bad it's gonna be. Like, I would love to be able to ride and say that I can ride all year round, even when it is freezing. I don't know what I'm able to handle because I haven't gone through this yet. I've never ridden in snow and ice and all that other stuff, so you know, we're gonna see. I'm gonna see where my limits lie. I do finally have some heated gear coming in, so that right there in and of itself is gonna be a huge help. And then for some other updates on the channel, I guess I can talk about, I do have some little winter projects on the bike coming up that I want to get done. So I'm gonna start releasing those when it starts getting a little too cold for me to ride. Maybe I won't be riding every single day if that day does come. If not, those videos are just gonna be pushed out just a little bit longer, or maybe I'll just wait till it's super snowy and I can't ride, physically can't ride. So we're just gonna find out. I got some plans for the bike. I got some colorings that I want to be doing to it, make it a little bit more on theme, go along with the color scheme of the channel and my favorite colors and all that stuff. Another thing to ask all you guys is, do you guys have any requests for content to come on out for the channel? If you do, I really want you guys to write them down in the comment section below, because like, this helps me out to give you the content that you guys want. I could do some more install videos on some smaller things coming up. I can do some winter preparations for the bike. I have seen a couple of those videos out there, but I don't think some of them are that good. I think the best one out so far is John Maxwell. Please come back to YouTube, John. We miss you. But for other content, man, I mean, I really want you guys to start shooting some ideas down there. But as for now, little Rick and I, we're just gonna go and enjoy the rest of our Sunday ride. He's taking me to some places I've never been to before. He's literally lived up here pretty much his entire life. He's gonna show me around. So we're just gonna go enjoy our ride. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any suggestions for the channel, things you want to see, please write them down in the comment section below. And if you aren't already, please hit that subscribe button and make sure you ring that bell notification so you know when the next video comes on out. And I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.